everybody, Venus Valentine here, and I'm here to talk to you about the versatility of true corset corsets. So today I'm wearing the Playgirl Minnie Waspie corset. It is steel boned, and this one is in black and a size 24. And then for my bra I am wearing the Royal Mansfield Bullet Bra Spiral Stitch. Now, one very obvious and very basic way to wear a corset is, as I am now, in lingerie form. So this is perfect for photo shoots, or if you're just going to wear something special for your significant other or for yourself. But there are a couple other ways to wear corsets that really accentuate your body, whether you're being upfront about wearing a corset or doing something called stealthing. So that's what we'll start with. So stealthing is the process of accentuating your curves and your waistline by wearing a corset underneath your clothes. I'm going to try on a dress for you with my corset underneath so you can see how the shape looks. So now, as you can see, I am fully clothed in a vintage 1940s peplum dress, and I have my corset on underneath, so this is considered stealthing. If you did not previously know I was wearing a corset, you wouldn't be able to tell, which is why it's called stealthing. And I think it's an amazing way to accentuate your body and your curves and your natural beauty without being too upfront, like, oh, I'm wearing a corset. So clearly my waist is much smaller in the corset, and I have also added a belt to accentuate it even further. Now, another way to wear your true corset is to wear it on top of your clothing. Now, I think this is beautiful. It's amazing for cosplay, and Halloween's coming soon. And it's also amazing for if you're going for a Renaissance look, you're going to a Renaissance festival, or even if you're just looking for a classic vintage look. So as you can see, I'm wearing my corset on top of my dress now. I chose a very flowy, Renaissance era vintage dress to really accentuate the look I'm going for, and I think it's just absolutely beautiful. It's very girly, very frilly, and the corset on top of the dress really accentuates the vintage look I'm going for. Now, this can be done not only with dresses, but with shirts, with sweaters. You really can get very creative with it. I've seen it as a really common trend nowadays with the Kardashians and the big internet influencers. I've seen a lot of people using corsets over their clothes, so it really does fit in with the trends, and it's a vintage look. Thank you so much for watching this video on different ways to wear your true corset, and I hope you have a great day. This is Venus Valentine.